Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I'm so excited to be here with this super bright card using In My Garden and You Are My Happy stamp sets from Unity. For this color combo, I will be using Rose Red, Tempting Turquoise, Pear Pizzazz, and Crushed Curry from Stampin' Up. To start, I am creating a mask for my sentiment, and for this I am measuring out the You Are My Happy stamp set onto a spare sheet of white paper, as this mask is going to sit over my stamped image so I can stamp around it and not affect the visibility of my sentiment. Now that my mask is created, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. Because this is a new stamp set for me, I like to rub it with my mono sand eraser to create a little bit of a rougher edge and allowing the ink color to really stay on the ink on the stamp set and get a clear image. I'm going to use a rock and roll technique for my sentiment. I started with the crushed curry, gonna do the bottom edge with the pear pizzazz, and then the top edge with the tempting turquoise. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that onto my card and this is where the mask is gonna sit on top of. Using temporary adhesive, I'm going to place the mask over my stamped sentiment, and I'm going to start stamping my florals from In My Garden around that sentiment. I'm going to begin by stamping the leaves using the ink pad Pear Pizzazz. I'm going to use the smaller leaves and then moving on to my larger leaf. Next, I like to stamp the largest of my stamp sets, which is the floral. And I'm doing this in Tempting Turquoise. I'm going to fill in some of the blank spots in the card with Rose Red and one of the smaller stamp sets from In My Garden. Using crushed curry, I'm going to be stamping the rose looking floral from In My Garden onto the edges of my card. And because I thought there needed to be a little more of that rose red, I added a little more of those cute little springy flowers onto the edge of the card. I'm going to move all my supplies and reveal my sentiment. And there's your card. Thank you so much for joining me on this fun color combos with Crystal. Have an awesome day.